Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So before I start, running, I wanted to do a quick TA on SHIBA and where I think we're headed. We did run up to 73. I don't know if I posted a video on YouTube or not, but I told my Patreon members that after we break this trend, I'm pretty sure we were going to go up to 73 or basically like around trend. And then from there, if we actually break that 73, I can see us going to 80. You actually did not break trend. You did hit 73, but we did not break it. So as of right now, the really good thing is trend is broken. You broke relative highs, and as of right now, I can definitely see us retesting this previous resistance right here, or these relative highs. It's now testing it as support. So what I'm hoping happens, right, I'm not saying it will, is we already have the stochastic looking like it's gonna start running a little bit to the upside, or it looks like it's found a bottom here with previous support from October 28th at like, what is that? I don't know what are the times, right? But right here, looks like the stochastic is finding support here and it's finding support here, right? And also on the 30-minute reverse MACD, looks like we're about to hit another bullish trigger. So I do think that as of right now, we are coming back to retest this level of previous resistance as support. I think for right here, you already wicked down to previous trend, so close enough. And then I think right now what we're gonna do is actually start running to the upside. But again, you have to have that 30-minute close bullish, and I think it might happen in the next hour or so. Not 100% sure. This might actually happen in the next hour, but what I'm hoping happens, I'm not saying it will because there is no confirmation yet. What I'm hoping happens is you do end up retesting this price right now as support, and you just run to the upside. So what I can see is us probably going back to like 74 here, and if it breaks that, I can definitely see us go back to trend around 79.80. And also I'm looking for that 4-hour push, right? The reverse MACD looks like it's about to go bullish on the 4-hour. Last time that happened, we actually triggered that back here. Where is it? Right here? Yeah, like right here. So last time that happened, we actually triggered a bullish run on the 4-hour, October 25th. And it's what took us from 42 microcents all the way up to almost to 89 microcents, right? So it is a really good thing that we are about to close bullish on the 4-hour, because we can definitely see another big run on the upside, and that's something that I definitely would like for us to see. Actually, let me see if we have any support on the stoke. So we have like here, yeah. So I can definitely see us jumping from right here, right? So on trend, you got resistance here, you created support, and then you're creating support here on an incline. So what can happen right now is from this level on the stochastic, this could be considered a bottom on the stochastic just because of that trend range right now. So for the 4-hour, I can definitely see us closing bullish and continuing another run to the upside. And that might actually happen today, maybe. But again, the first thing that needs to happen is we actually need to run from here, right? We need to stay here, run to the upside. If that doesn't happen, I think we're coming back down to 60-ish, possibly back to 59. The only thing that we do not want to happen is you do not want to break this trend, this channel trend here, and you do not want to break that support of 59.60 microcents. If that gets broken, and if the uptrend channel gets broken, this bullish channel, right? We are going to be going down, and we will more than likely see a 48 microcent. So as long as those two things don't happen, and you don't break support and you don't break that bullish channel, I think we can definitely see 80 cents again this weekend. But again, there's a lot of things that got to happen, before that actual move hits. The only really good thing that happened, you have relative high here, it broke it, coming back down to retest. If this actually moves to the upside up here and back to trend, I can definitely see us hitting 80 cents this weekend. Otherwise, you're gonna see it push down to 59 microcents again. So super important to see what happens in these next couple of days. But as of right now, it does look decently bullish, especially after that trend break. But again, I need this to actually go back up the trend. If we go back up the trend, great. If we come back down to 59 cents, there's a strong chance that we really just kind of trade sideways, or we drop to 48 cents. So it's really just, you know, I think today's going to be extremely important, because it might actually, you know, give us a pretty good indication of where Shiba Inu is possibly going to be headed, you know, in the future. So we got to keep this, you got to keep this running, man. You got to keep this channel going, right? I think that's the most important part. And for right now, I'm really just waiting for that trigger on the 30-minute to give us like a push to the upside, and a hard push to the upside, like it did, you know, right here and also right here. So that's all I'm waiting for. And especially if you break this high of 74.78, which is what, let me see, 74.80. So if you break that high of 74.80, you know, that's even more bullish, because you're creating higher highs. And I really want that to happen for Shiba Inu. But again, I'm just holding, not too worried about, you know, too much TA right now, because I think for the most part, I'm not really, you know, focused on trading Shiba Inu. I'm just really holding it. And, you know, I'll keep updating you guys on TA. But I think for now, like I said, I'm not really selling anything. There's no point. I'll make another video about where I'm thinking about selling, you know, probably a partial position on my Shiba Inu. But as of right now, I'm neither bullish nor bearish. I just need this thing to happen first, and then I'll probably be a little bit more biased towards the bullish side. But the only way that I'm actually extremely bullish is if you break this this channel right here, this trend. If you break this, and you know, you start creating candles up here in this area, in this zone, then I'd say I'm extremely bullish, and I can definitely see a break of 90 microcents. And keep in mind, once we are, you know, once we push above 90 microcents, we are in, you know, officially we are in price discovery. So after that, it really, I would have no idea of where Shiba Inu can go. It can run to $10. That can, you know, it can be the top, and we can drop down to 0. I have no idea what can happen after 90 microcents. Again, the only thing that we can kind of predict is where the tops would be by following the previous bullish channel, right? So I can definitely see it, you know, having resistance in like this area right here where this line is at. But apart from that, you know, breaking 90 microcents is extremely bullish. And, you know, you can lose like a 0 or 2 really fast after that level once you're in price discovery zone. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.